HomePolice24 is an advanced home security device. This system contains a sensor that operates 24/7 in your home or workplace. If you're on a business trip or just walking out of your house for a brief period, HomePolice24 will help protect your home. A door sensor with multiple functions is the solution for a lot of people, and it's easy to understand why. To see more information and the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. And please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. So let's get started. What is HomePolice24? HomePolice24 is a door sensor that senses any activity that might occur outside your homes and prevents break-ins, thefts and any such circumstances that can tamper the home's invaluables. HomePolice24 is a product that can really make a difference and help you to rest easy. A break-in can result in more than just missing valuables. It can have a lasting psychological effect that leaves the victim scarred. If you have suffered because of a previous break-in, you want to be sure you have taken the right steps to make sure it doesn't happen again. Modern technology is helping many homes and making them safer. How does a HomePolice door sensor work? The HomePolice24 is working as a movement detector sensor using its magnet and switch. It is installed with the screws or adhesive tape on the door or window frame. Install the app to get a constant alert on a smartphone. The app does not require special requirements or charges to use. It does not create a sound alert but provides an alert on a smartphone. So connect the device with a home Wi-Fi network and turn on your phone's data connection to stay connected. It sends several types of alerts so you can understand the situation. When someone is trying to break a door or window, it constantly sends an alert so you can call the security team to take action. Product specifications. Easy to install and configure. Fast instant alerts to your phone anywhere you are. 24/7 security sensor monitoring with no monthly fee. Smart and secure. Protect your home and kids. Makes your home intelligent. HomePolice24 is easy to install. HomePolice24 is quite an easy product to install. It is no need for any complicated tools to install the device to your doors or windows. HomePolice includes screws used to attach it to the door. You can also use double-sided adhesive to do the job for you. It takes only a few seconds or minutes to get this device installed and working. You have to install the app of this device on the App Store, and with easy-to-follow instructions, you can keep your home secured and safe at all times. The issue with home security is that multiple users cannot use a lot of the technology, and if the designated user is not around, the home won't end up staying secure. HomePolice24 enables numerous family members to track this device, and it easily alerts if someone closer to your home. This makes sure that your home is protected at all times, which you don't get with most other devices. The designated user can also track your device's history whenever a person has opened or closed a door or window without authorization. How can I buy the HomePolice24? You can get the HomePolice24 device from their official online store. And exclusive 50% discount offer, free shipping around the globe. To get this offer before the promo ends, check out the links in the description below. Conclusion. All of us want to keep our family safe and secure, and the right home security system can help you with that. To secure your family members and valuable things, you will require a home security system. Above in this HomePolice24 review, I have shown you one of the latest and easiest home security systems for your home. You can easily set up the device and secure your home. Besides, you'll be able to monitor your home through your phone from anywhere you want. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions related to the HomePolice24, please leave a comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as possible.